Let's talk pros. Biggest one for me, build quality. It feels like a full-size drag does. You know, those same materials. Solid metal, feels like a little mini brick or something, you know, there's no rattle or anything. It feels solid. You drop this thing, it should be fine. Very, very well made and feels more premium than a lot of the other little pods like this. Flavor's good on the pods. It's definitely made for a higher nicotine. Like if I was using normal, regular, conventional nicotine, I'd probably want to use an 18 in it instead of a 12, or, you know, a 25 milligram salt. It fits that bill a little bit more, but the flavor is quite nice, and you actually get a pretty warm vape off of it. The draw is a medium MTL. Now, on the original version of this, they sent me with the original pods, is a little bit looser of a draw, but then I think they tighten the draw up a little bit, I'm noticing, which makes for a warmer vape, and it's more satisfying to me.